What's up, guys? B-Rob here. Did you know turkey has some amazing benefits for muscle building and fitness? Well, today I'm going to discuss 3 muscle building benefits of eating turkey, and I have a special discount code to some great supplements at the end. And I'm going to do this all in 3 minutes, maybe even 2 minutes. I'll be right back. If you're trying to build muscle, adding turkey to your diet can be a very beneficial way to do that. Turkey is low in fat and calories, which makes it a great lean meat choice. So what are the 3 benefits for eating turkey for your muscle building and fitness? Number 1 is turkey is high in the amino acid cysteine. Cysteine helps protect muscles from damage and promotes muscle growth. Cysteine is also helpful in replenishing the most powerful antioxidant in your body, which is glutathione, which I've been taking a lot here in the last few months. I'll be telling you more about glutathione in another video. Number 2 is turkey contains a good amount of zinc. Zinc is needed to produce testosterone naturally, and testosterone is an important muscle building hormone, right? I thought you'd agree. Number 3 is turkey is loaded with vitamin B6, which helps metabolize carbohydrates and protein. It's also a great source of niacin, riboflavin, and thiamine, which helps convert food to energy. Now that you've learned about the 3 muscle building benefits of eating turkey, will that help relieve some guilt this Thanksgiving? Also, as promised, follow the link in the description to get some special discounts to some supplements using the coupon code BROB44, and you'll get 15% off some incredible supplements. Also, there's a link to check out my workout journal that I've created myself, and feel free to follow me on Instagram at thisisbrob. This is B_Rob, and also check out my website, thisisbrob.com. And as always, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.